Hey everyone, welcome back. In this JQL tutorial, we are going to learn about how to smart query based on the components of the issues within Jira. So if you have defined components and you are tagging your issues with those components, which in most of the real-time projects, you will be having components based on, say, for example, if you're working in software development and you are having different stories, some of them are being the database related, some of them being a developing of the UI, some of them being the API development. So in that case, you will be, it's a good idea to segregate those with the component. So you assign the component and a person who is managing the component can be a lead of that component, right? So if you have tagged the stories or the issues within Jira, it doesn't matter whether it's story or epic, etc. with the component, with the smart querying, it becomes really easy to search for those issues which are tagged to a component, right? Now what we have to do is in the quick search, simply we have to say C and then colon. So C stands for component and then colon, and just mention the name of the component that you are looking for. Say for example, I have some of the stories which are tagged in as a UI component. Then I specify the name of that component. So say for example, UI is the name of the component, and hit enter, and all the issues that are tagged to that component UI will be displayed here, right? So you'll see that there is just one defect. This is a bug which has the component tag as UI, and that is being displayed, right? And you'll see here this pop-up here that the smart query has been activated. Let me close this. So at the moment the smart query is happening, and this is the issue that has tagged UI component, and that is displayed. Similarly, if I have to search for any other component, say for example I have another component database, I'll simply say C colon database and hit enter, and all the issues that are linked to that component, you will see that database has been displayed there. Okay, so this is basically quickly how you are going to search issues with the smart query in Jira based on the component, right? So that's all for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.